Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here with a show and tell video for two new kits. They are both blue team, and they are for the hashtag May Journal Challenges 2024. I will explain more about the challenges in the next video, where I'll show you the first week freebies, the Facebook group freebies, and how to get them, and what the challenge is, and where to enter, and what you can win. Otherwise, this is going to be a very, very long video, and I just want to flip through all the pages and show you what is going to be, well, the May theme. April is gone already. I have two kits. I have the Forget-Me-Nots journal pages and the Spring Blue pages. I'm going to first flip through this one. This has 25 pages, mostly blue themed, journal pages, background pages, collage pages, ephemera pieces, a lot. I normally put a lot of pieces in my kits. So if you purchase one kit, you can make a complete journal and maybe even a smaller journal on the side. And it's mostly because I just can't stop making pages. When I'm working on designing kits, I just think of more things. And then I'm thinking, oh, I can add this and I can add that. So yeah, and now I made so many bigger kits. It's, well, I can't show up with 10 pages now. That's not okay. There are different types of papers, like I said. I have background papers in different colors. This one is a favorite of mine, also a little bit grungy, because it is springy and bluey. You can make it grungy if you like it, and if you want to make it more with brighter colors, it's possible too. It depends on what kind of pieces you add, like fabrics, laces, trims, ribbons, buttons, whatever you have in your stash. And also depends how heavy you are inking, like the ephemera pieces. If you use a darker ink, it's going to be more grungy. If you use light brown ink, vintage photo or something like that, it's going to be a regular vintage journal. So this is a 2-on-1 page, because I also wanted to add smaller tickets and tabs, but also smaller little items to put on tags or pockets, journal cards, and there is a envelope. And this one I backed with one of the backing pages. So this is the Spring Blues journal kit. We have this one and this one. I have been working on this for a long time, mostly in my head, but I had a few pages ready. But yeah, at the beginning of last month, it suddenly hit me. I wanted to do something with this in May, but I wasn't able to finish on time, so that was an issue. But Forget-Me-Nots, to me, it's actually a personal story. I will tell you the story short. My mother's mother passed away when she was 19, and she told the story to me when I was a child, a bigger child, of course, not when I was 2 years old, but like when I was 8 or 9. And she told me that when her mother passed away, she wanted to have Forget-Me-Nots to put on her grave. But at that time, the Forget-Me-Nots were not available. And that is the moment I learned about the little Forget-Me-Not flowers. And we have seen them and we bought them throughout the years. And we always said, remember the story about you wanted to have the Forget-Me-Nots for your mother. So when my mom passed away in 2006, I wanted to have Forget-Me-Nots for her at her funeral. But yeah, of course, they were not available at the time. And May in the Netherlands, May it's Mother's Day. In May we celebrate Mother's Day on the second Sunday in May, and my mother's birthday is also in May, May 14th. And to be honest, I supposed to be born on May 14th too, but I was 1 month early, so April 14th. So yeah, to me, I don't know, I had to think about my mom last month a lot. So I don't want to cry. That was not my point. I wanted to make a kit as a memory of the forget-me-nots and the story about her, and later about me and her. Her and her mom, and me and my mother. And my mother is, of course, her. And that's why I made the forget-me-nots papers. And they are not like screaming all over the pages, but there are a lot of forget-me-nots in it. And they are blue, so they go very well with the spring blue journals. And they are also this way. So you can create a slimline journal. I printed them on the original size, but of course you can choose to print them smaller. If you select the size you want to print on, you can make them smaller. But yeah, I'm just going to show you pages. Okay, I really, I feel a little bit sad. But yeah, I like doing this for my mom. So even though she's not around, I know she likes this. We have forget-me-nots now on every page. But like I said, it is a slimline journal. A lot of elements. You can also cut out elements, of course. You can cut out this and use it in a project. You can cut out the butterfly or use it as a journal page. But I think this was printed a little bit off the grid. It's supposed to be more straight. But yeah, I can't print it over now. And we have this one. And I also added hints of pink. Not on every page. There's also a little background writing paper. A design paper. Like this can be a background too, or a background from a journal paper, but also a background to make tags or something. And I have this paper. This one is very cute too. This is one of my favorite papers. A collage paper. Another background paper. Another background paper. Oh, and this is also one of my favorites. I really like this. Then I have ephemera pieces. I'm going to switch over now. This can be like specimen slides, but you can also use the frames to put on journal pages or on the front cover. Bigger buttons, because these are so pretty. Journal card, little piano as an ephemera piece. A envelope, seed envelope. These little circles, a card, tags, more tags. More tags. You can layer them up. Pockets. Some pockets and larger journal cards, especially for the long, for the slimline journal. These are longer than the ones I have in the shorter kits. So this kit, because usually they are shorter. Otherwise, it's so silly to have a small pocket on your page with a small journal card or tag in it. So this one is longer. And then I have this envelope, and I backed it with the blue backing ground papers. So these are the kits we are going to be working with in the May challenges. They will start, when will they start? Today it's Friday. I will do on the first challenge video tomorrow, so May 4th. And then the challenges will start for 3 weeks. We will do 3 different challenges. You can work with the freebies and enter. You can also work with these 2 kids or one of the kids and enter. If you use the kids, then your post is 2 entries. And if you only work with the Facebook freebies, your post will be 1 entry. And we have 5 groups in total joining the challenges. So each group is hosting the same challenge, which means you can post in every group, increase chance of winning, and also have more interaction with like-minded people, and also get to know those other groups because they run challenges too, and see other people's works, because we are although we are hosting the same challenge, it's not only that in the Facebook group. Just want to point it out. And if you want to join in with the challenge with the freebies or with the kids, but you don't like the challenge we are running, but you want to make something completely else, that's okay too. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I will explain more about how to enter and everything. But I can tell you that the hashtag for this month is hashtag May Journal Challenges 2024. I will link it down below in the description box. This is just a show and tell video for the kids. I will have a special section that is called May Kids, May Challenge Kids, something like that. These will be added. And I also added a few other blue themed kits, and also one that is not particularly blue, but will go very well, 2 actually, with the slimline pages, because then you have something extra to add if you want that. But these are the challenge kits. The other ones I also put in, so you can find them. And all the kits will be on sale. The challenge kits will be on sale with a 25% discount. And the other kits will be on sale with a 35% discount. So yeah, that is basically it for today. I hope it's a short video, because I wanted to make a short video. These will be listed right after I have the video up, and you can purchase already or not. You can also wait until the freebies. And like I said, tomorrow I will release the first freebie challenge video on my channel. And then we have all the events in all the Facebook groups with everything, every detail in it. And you can also find the Facebook group freebies in my Facebook group. You can download them and use them to work on your challenges. I will also have those Facebook freebies on my Ko-Fi page, but I have to figure out how am I going to do that, because I have a lot of issues, well, not issues, a lot of people sending me emails. They are not able to download from their Ko-Fi page. I don't know why, because a lot of people do. Most people can, but with last month challenges with the photo strips, it was just insane how many people downloaded those freebies from my Ko-Fi page. And I also received a lot of emails. Well, I can't open the file. Sometimes, well, it's just because people don't know how to open the file. And if I was able to send them, and I say, yeah, of course I can, because I also, well, I always want to help out everybody. But yeah, I spent a lot of time sitting behind my laptop, helping people out to get the freebies to them. So yeah, I don't think that's the whole idea of the Ko-Fi page, because the Ko-Fi page, it's a paid version, so I have to pay for that, which is okay, but I would be happy if it worked for me instead of paying for it, putting it on, and also doing the extra work behind the scenes via email or messenger. So don't get me wrong, it's not that I don't want to help you, but I'm just not able to do it anymore. It's too much. So yeah, I will figure out how to do it on Ko-Fi, but the freebies will be for sure in the Facebook, because they are meant to be Facebook freebies. Yeah, this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. I hope you like to join in with the challenges. If you do like the video, maybe you want to leave a thumbs up. I also received some thumbs down lately. So yeah, apparently Somebody doesn't like me. I don't know. I don't care. I like the thumbs up. And also leave me a comment in the comment section if you want to tell me something about the kids, because I'm very excited about them, and I would be happy if you just see this video for the first time, if you say, "Wow, I want to join that Facebook group or all the Facebook groups, and I also want to be a member of a subscriber of your channel." Yeah, please do. The design team members will be also working with these kids, and I have a Linktree link below this video. If you click that one open, you have access to all the links from LineDotArrow, but also a section that says meet the team, meet the design team members, and all the design team members are in that link. And it would be great if you show them some support and hop over to the channel, become a subscriber, and even watch videos, like and comment. We can all use some support, so let's help each other. Yeah, this is really it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.